With a non-coding background, if you want to build a real coding project which you could sell, then listen up. In the last lesson, we researched our idea and gathered real proof that there's demand. Now, to code it, we're moving into Claude Code. And the very first thing we will do is setting up 7 sub-agents that act like a full product team. In the end, I will let you know how to set up these agents. Now, these sub-agents will not work if you will simply prompt like, "Please build me a front end." I will give you a detailed prompt for each of the sub-agents. First 3 agents are for planning, and the next 4 are for coding. Well, the most important point, always remember that whenever you are building a project, spend at least 90% of your time for planning and give 10% time to coding, if you want to avoid a never-ending loop of fixing bugs. First is the product strategy lead agent. It translates our rough idea into a clear MVP plan, problem, audience, features, and success metrics, and keeps the roadmap aligned so we don't chase shiny objects. Next is the systems blueprint architect agent. It designs the backbone, overall system diagram, data flow, APIs, and scalability decisions, so we don't paint ourselves into a corner when traffic grows. Then comes the experience and interface designer agent. It turns goals into screens and flows, user stories, wireframes, and interaction patterns, so everything feels intuitive and users can complete tasks without friction. After that, the backend agent. This agent builds the behind-the-scenes power, database schemas, APIs, and business rules, optimized for reliability, performance, and clean contracts the rest of the team can use. Next is the front-end agent. It brings the designs to life, components, state management, and fast, responsive views, matching the design system pixel perfect and keeping the app snappy. Then we have the testing agent. It protects the build with tests, unit, integration, and end-to-end, catches regressions early, and documents coverage so we ship with confidence. Finally, the security and risk agent. It reviews auth, data handling, and dependencies, flags vulnerabilities, hardens configs, and enforces best practices so the product is safe for real users. Together, these 7 agents give us a focused end-to-end build process inside Claude Code. To create an agent, we need to use the /agents command in Claude Code. We then go through these bunch of options where you will create the agent manually. It will ask you the name of the agent first.